It's tasty. It's yummy. It's your mama's kitchen. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Yo Mama Mish and welcome back into the kitchen. We're about to make some fun holiday pizzas. So I found these cute little, or big, shall I say, cookie cutters from Target, I believe, the Wonderland collection. And so I got a gingerbread, I have a tree, and for the little mini pizzas, we have a snowflake, just in case somebody want to make a little extra. All right, so for your starting lineup, we have our pizza dough, we have our cookie cutters, of course we have our variety pizza pans. You can choose the round ones or the square ones, depending on your shape of your dough. Grab your good old olive oil to coat your dough. After it's molded, you got your pasta sauce or pizza sauce. And if you need a little lighter, less acidic, organics is good. Hey, got our helper, we wash his hands. And last, we got our cheese. I'm gonna grab a little parchment paper too. If you don't want to bother rolling it out with your hands, grab your handy dandy rolling pin. All right, and this recipe calls for the degrees to be set at 450, so it's gonna be hot, babies. Shake, 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 shake. No. Pizzas are ready. Hope you enjoy and have a wonderful holiday. And thanks for visiting Yo Mama's World.